So finally, to finish off, just a few extra tips really about how to really become creative as a DJ and how to score extra points as a student, especially for those of you who might be wanting to use DJ skills in your GCSE or BTEC examinations. At GCSE you can use it in performance, in BTEC you can use as far as I know, you can use your entire course on DJing. So when you think about mixing, first of all, if you look at the whole waveform up here, you might be able to see a tiny little gap there. If I fast forward this track to there, I'm looking at the white triangle. In fact, I can shortcut and click straight on it. Useful to know. That gap, it doesn't look like so much in the close-up, but you might notice this waveform disappears and is replaced by that one. What that means is it's a break. Yeah, you can hear one of the drums dropped out, then all the drums come back in again. This is a part in a song where something clearly changes in the song. This song has one here and here. If I zoom in, you can see everything changes. As usual, these changes happen on the first beat of a bar. But for a DJ, those are the things to look out for in songs, because they're often the points in songs where it makes sense to start or end a mix, and where you can get more creative or sound better simply by making sure you understand the structure of your song and what parts are making it up, so that you can choose to be more inventive and sound more musical. Other tricks you might want to try for your GCSE are things we've already shown you, like the scratching, the hot cues, the effects, filter, EQ, loops, which are where you make a little bit, repeat. Does that sound good? No. So we move on. Make one that's better. Make one that fits musically. What that can do for you is extend a section so that you can carry on playing a part of a song that otherwise wouldn't be there. If you wanted that little break to continue, you'd loop it.